Hey you guys, it's Henry from Henry's Bedroom. Sorry I haven't done a lot of videos. We have a lot of crazy stuff that happened now after we moved to the other side of North Florida. But I'm going to be doing a lot of videos, and you guys could check out our 500-year-old oak trees and all that cool stuff that we have on here. Okay, it's pretty neat. It's a lot of fun. Different. We have coyotes, we have bears, foxes, deer, everything you could imagine. Armadillos, which I never thought they had armadillos in Florida, but we do. Today I'm going to show you, I'm going to make two videos. And one of them you can see, they're a little bit bigger, but my Quaker babies. And we'll talk, and I'll talk to you about it. Let me turn it around so you can see me. Hopefully it'll come out good. There we go. All right, guys. Let's see. I'm gonna show you now. It's a short video, but hopefully it will come out really great. I'm hoping. Okay. Open it up. Hopefully she doesn't attack me. These are the three parents. Okay. These are the babies. Okay, these are the babies. Alright. All the babies. Okay. One of them, I believe, might come out yellow. These are the parents. Okay. Okay, these are my blue ones. Okay. Which I'm going to be talking to you about. I'll show you the new baby. You know what? I'll show you right now. And watch you subtract it, and then we'll talk about it more later. Okay, let's see. There we go. There we go. Okay.